What's up, guys? X7 Nation here, and I'm bringing you guys a older glitch. I know that most of you guys have probably already seen it. It's the Ascension knife glitch, knife lunge to be exact. Yeah, it's pretty old. It's been out for a while. As I said, most of you guys have probably already seen it, but I thought I'd just get some new stuff out for you guys. And yeah, guys, please subscribe, comment, like, and rate. Really helps me out. I'm trying to get some more views, so please help me out as much as possible. I really appreciate it. I have ordered an El Gato, and whenever I get that up, I'll get some quality tests and see how you guys like it. Alright, later. Peace.
Truly convinced that your ways are better. I'm not on the fence. Who distributes joy? Who sets the soul free? Who can forgive sin? Jesus, who died for me? Yes, it's true that I've been captured by your love. I've been captured by your grace. I've been covered by your blood. I was lost, but now I'm found. Yes, it's true, you hold me down. Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now. Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now. I surrender right now. I surrender right now. Jesus, here's my white flag. I surrender right now. Right now. Right now. I surrender right now. Run away or go take a hiatus. When a descendant of David's proven he is the greatest. You see, he mediates, he is the mediator. Now I am so free. What a sweet savior.